Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chill Deluxe Plant Content, where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. And we try to learn the best way to grow our plants so that they grow the way we want them to grow. And yeah, if that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today I have an unboxing. Let me not show you my address, but this is what the box looks like. And it is from a company that usually specializes in aeroids. So I've seen a whole bunch of unboxings from this place. They usually send out really nice full plants, and I've been on their website. They have an international, I guess, shop, and then they have one in the United States. I'm pretty sure you guys are kind of getting at where I ordered this from. I ordered from Ecuagenera. Now, I have been, every couple of months, I'll go on their website just to see what they have. I'm not really into I don't have space. Let me change. I don't have space for the really big, tall philodendrons or aeroids that they normally sell. So, I go on and I see if they have any Hoyas, and they never do, and it's always so sad. But this time they did. They actually had two Hoyas on their United States website. So that was exciting. I only ordered one for now because I just wanted to, this is kind of like the test to see how, what it looks like, how it came, how it shipped. Again, I'm kind of holding off on importing plants just because I know not everywhere is back to normal. I feel like you can't even say normal, but it's not back to I guess not back to a great spot. I think that's better than saying normal, because I don't think we're going to be able to go back to normal. Too much has happened, too much has been lost, but it is what it is, right? Right, so I'm cutting this guy open. I'm going to show you what the packaging looks like. Okay, we got the little slip, the order slip, and it is packaged like this. I'm going to pull out. This stuff is really good. This is also like good insulation for shipping plants out when it gets a little colder. I don't like to ship plants out once it gets cold up by where I am, which is like November. November's like no more shipping plants. It's too dangerous for the plants, man. So they put a whole bunch of that in there, and then they wrapped the plants just like this. So hopefully you can see that. It's just lying in there. Ooh. It looks like a 4-inch pot. I don't know how big it is. We'll find out. Hopefully they labeled it, because I need to see it in order to try to pronounce the name correctly. If you're the same way, you know what I mean. Sometimes I still need help sounding out words, Okay, just cutting this boy open, or girl. We'll see. When I look at the plant, I'll figure out what it is. Okay, really quick, I'll show you. They have it packed with like shredded tissue paper, or it's not tissue paper, it's like packing paper, I guess. Okay, guys, if Ecuagenera starts banging out Hoyas, it's gonna be good. All right, so this is the Hoya mindorensis. And look at this. This guy was, I can tell you how much actually. It was, I think I can. Did they not? give me like what I ordered, the price of it? Maybe not. But it was, the total order was $36. That was with shipping and handling. So I think this was like probably like $25 and then like $12 shipping. So, or $11 shipping, something like that. Now, I am a little perplexed. Right here, it looks like they bent the stem, but they had this huge box, so they didn't have to bend the stem. But maybe they didn't know what box they were going to use before they bent the stem. What I'm trying to unravel the stem to just see how long it actually is, and it is, I don't know what they did. It's the aerial roots are like latching onto each other and holding it in place. Okay, so, ugh. Okay, we got her unraveled. Wow, this is a nice, look how long this plant is. There is a little peduncle. I hope you can see that. I could put it down actually and still probably show you a little peduncle. I don't know if the peduncle will, oh, it's still alive. I just touched it. This little top part is bent. That'll probably fall off. But all the leaves look good. It looks like we got some sun stressing blush onto some of these leaves. It is taped up and it looks like it has just some paper towel on the top to hold down the soil. And look at this. I'm impressed, Ecuagenera. What did they do? I'm confused. Impressed and confused. Okay, this is weird. Why did they do that? Alright, so right here, it comes up, and then they pulled it back down and put it back in the soil. I guess to reroot, like, another part of it. And then each side has, like, a long tendril that came out. So that's strange. But, you know, I guess that's just what happened. So technically, if those have a good amount of roots, I can cut this. And I have 2 of these plants. So that's exciting. The aerial roots are alive. It does probably need a drink of water. It was in the mail for 2 days, I think. 3. I think it was 3 days. It was shipped, 3 days. And they originally, I will say I did not get an email confirmation from my order, other than I paid through PayPal. So I got like the PayPal like confirmation that you paid this person or this company, whatever, this amount of money. And so I waited and I waited to get like an email from Ecuagenera, and about a week passed, and so then I emailed Ecuagenera, and I guess I emailed like their Ecuador office, and I said, hey, I'm trying to blah 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 blah, and I sent them screenshots of my PayPal receipt, because that was all I had ordered. And they actually had somebody from the United States office call me and like say, hey, we do have your order, we're going to send it out today, and all of that. And then they provided me with shipping and tracking information, and then it's here. So I'm really excited. If Ecuagenera, please Ecuagenera, start selling Hoyas, because it's going to drive prices down. We're going to have actual plants instead of little cuttings being sold to us. Like, this is good news for us Hoya heads, because I think we've been taken advantage of for far too long. But yeah, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. So we're just going to let her relax, chill out. I'm going to put her by some grow lights, maybe give her a little bit of drink, and let her chill for a little bit, and then eventually I will pot her up in one of the pots that I have my Hoyas in, and she will become part of the family. Alright guys, so that is it. If you have any questions, or if you know more about this plant, I don't know too much about it. I like quickly saw it on Ecuagenera, and I saw that there's another plant, but that one was more expensive, and I was like, let's buy the cheaper route first, just to see what the plants look like. But seeing this plant, I might go back and get the other plant. But yeah, if you guys know anything about this Hoya, what the blooms look like, any specific care tips that it needs. I do see a lot of aerial roots, which makes me feel like it needs a lot of, like, maybe a little bit more humidity or to be watered more. So if you have any of that information, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.